Ready, go.
Hey there, my name is Lauren. People call me Trainer Lauren the Boss. That is my Instagram handle, @Trainer Lauren, and I am one of the owners of Total Fitness Revolution. We are in Mableton, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. We do CrossFit, personal training, sports training, group classes, and we have been working really hard to focus more on our social media so we get a great message out there to the world, both on my personal brand and on the gym brand. So today's workshop was awesome. MindBody, thank you so much. Katrina, thank you so much for having this event for us today. The three things that I learned today are how to use a scheduling app to schedule my posts, and a tip from Katrina where you can like take ideas from different venues or what you know you have coming up for the week and kind of plan your posts for that. I learned about influencer platforms. I think that was pretty cool. I didn't know anything about that, so I definitely plan on getting into some of those. And I learned how to kind of structure the content better to add more value, like more education, you know, making more of a connection, even if it is on a business page. So I plan on applying all three of those things, and I especially want to stay in touch with Katrina. Super valuable, and she knows a lot of stuff. So it was a great day, great event, and can't wait to get to work.
Aw, thank you, Lauren. That was perfect. Aw.
Aw.